and clean with me vlog. These vlogs are pretty much becoming a weekly thing, but you guys are enjoying them and I hope they're motivating you. But I am so far doing my around 16 to 24 hours a week, so I have time to rest. I have time, literally have time for my body to be able to do other things now without feeling like drained. And it's not that I'm tired, it's my body that's tired. If you've got cerebral palsy, you probably understand what I mean, the difference. But I was off yesterday, I'm off today, and I've got morning shift, but only half 6 till half 12, so it's good. But before I start work tomorrow, I need to change my bed, clean my room, and literally get my life back on track. And I feel like this one is going to be a proper get my life back on track, because I can literally have the energy to do things. The difference from last week or 2 weeks ago to now, I actually feel energetic to do this. I also do need to wash my hair, but I want to just get my room sorted first, and then I'm going to get ready, and then that's when this video is going to end, because then I'm going to probably film a video for a manifesting board. So I'm getting back into doing content. I'm so happy about it. I've just edited a video that I've had in my photos for ages to post on TikTok. But we're going to strip my bed and get my room back in order. Let's do this. Be ready for the time lapse. Also, if you need to tidy your room right now. Bed is stripped. We're gonna do that at the end, but now I'm going to put away my clothes. But first, we need a cup of tea. Let's get on with my clothes. That's the desk done. I feel like I've still got so much to do. One being make my bed and sort the rest of the rubbish on my floor. It's not literally rubbish, but just stuff that needs to go away in a place. But I'm gonna go for a shower. We're gonna freshen up. Already brushed my teeth, but we're gonna freshen up. And I'm gonna continue doing this, but I'm going to go for a shower first. When you find a favourite boa on your duvet. Now this could have fallen off when it's got home. Well, it obviously has if it's on my duvet, but it's just little things like this that's to anyone who went to Love on Tour, your sign, Harry's still with us. At the end of the day, it is just like that, but it's a little reminder. Love is everywhere. Love is everywhere. Love on Tour. other days I'm actually working today. I'm working 12 to 8. Was meant to be 10 till 6, but because of the delivery, I'm like more known for coming in later. Like it will be beneficial more. I've got 40 minutes to my bath, so I'm gonna get some makeup on, and then I didn't end the video off. I can't even remember. Thursday, I think I was doing it, or Wednesday, just because after making my bed can tire me out. Well, not tire me out, but like it's quite a big thing for my body. It might not be for everyone's body, but for mine, I need to rest a bit afterwards. And then I rested a bit too much, and I was just like, I cannot be bothered. I did do stuff after the shower, but then I got my lunch, and I was like, I cannot be bothered to do anymore. So we are now here on Friday, and after today, I've got 4 days off. So I will be filming the video I said I'm going to be filming in this video, and pretty much I need to get this up. I'm going to put it up over the weekend, and I might film some TikToks over the weekend and go live. I'm just trying to get back into it pretty much. Now mascara. So I'm going to end this video now because I've got 11 minutes to get everything together, and I need to go and get my packed lunch and everything and get my shoes on. But I hope everyone enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want more of this type of content, and I will see you with a brand new video or vlog soon. Well, vlogs. Bye.